pakinggan niyo mabuti para ma-appreciate naman natin ang pastor natin. The pastor is always wrong. Pastor, you're always wrong. You pastors, you're always wrong. You know why? Ito ang sinabi nung nagsulat. And I would like you to listen. Sana wala dito ni isa kung sa papanggitin ko. Okay? The pastor is always wrong because if the pastor begins the service on time, his watch is advanced. If he begins a minute later, he gives people waiting. If he preaches too long, he makes people get bored. How many minutes did you preach? Oh my goodness, that's why they feel bored. If his sermon is short, he is always unprepared. My goodness. Mahaba, may reklamo kayo. Megsi, may reklamo pa rin kayo. Hindi, tayo pala yun. If he owns a car, buti na wala kang kotse, pastor. Sira na. He is luxurious. If he does not own one, he is not keeping with the time. Please provide a car for your pastor. Okay? So that he will be on time. If he visit families, he is always out. Ibibisit ka ba? Oo nga. If he does not do it, he has no time for the members. My goodness. Saan lalagay yung pastor na ito? Buti na hindi talaga ako naging pastor. Ito, matindi pastor. Nakikita ko si White Dog. Yan makinig kayo dito. If the pastor asks for donations, he is money-minded. Sir, are you money-minded? Hindi naman. Need lang talaga ng church to have the White Dog. Kasi si Bluebird, kailangan na natin dispose. Mukhang malapit na madi-dispose. May kausap kami kahapon for 10,000. Ako yung bibili. 2 years to pay. Okay lang mo ba yun? Matawa lang pinatawa. Gusto ko yung oo. 2 years to pay for 10,000. Okay lang. Kesa nabubulok ko, di ba? At least 10,000. Patagdag natin sa White Dog. Ha? If he does not do it, he is too proud or a bit lazy. My goodness, kawawa talaga, pastor. If he takes time for the confessional prayer, he is slow. If he makes it fast, he has no time for his penitence. If he renovates the church property, he's throwing away money. Kaya pala, dami na sira nitong church. Because your pastor doesn't want to throw away money. If he does not do it, he allows everything around to rot away. If he's with the elderly, he's old-fashioned. Kaya pala pastor, lagi nang kasama kami, mga youth. If he's with youth, he's neglecting the seniors. Sorry, seniors. If the pastor is young, buti na lang, matanda na pastor nyo. He is immature and experienced. If he is old, he should retire. Hindi mo naman po katandaan If he is old, he should retire and mentor others to do the job. As long as your pastor is around, there are always people better than him. But when the pastor is gone, there is no one, nobody to take his place. Hindi ko alam kung sino nagsulat nito Pero actually, mayroong katotohanan Yung totoo naman yun, di ba? Yung mabubuting ginagawa ng pastor natin, hindi natin nakikita yon. Pero yung mga maling konting malit, my goodness, board meeting, kawawa ang pastor natin. Siguro, I'm so grateful to the Lord that we have pastor like Pastor Roland and Pastor Eddie who really took the challenge of doing the shepherding the flock. Actually, mahirap yun. Asawa ko, sabi niya, Art, magpastor ka na, yoko. Ganda-ganda ng buko, kita mo, wala namang tina. Hindi ako natitina, konti lang puti, baka pagpastor na ako, puting-puti na buko. At ang matindi nun, baka nagpastor ako, wala na akong buhok, buti, hindi naintindihan ng bisita natin. Kuya, huwag mo translate, huwag mo translate, ate mo. Okay, well, kidding aside, I'm so grateful to the Lord that we have really pastor like Pastor Ron. I've been here so many Sundays na, and I've heard Pastor preaches, and I'm really blessed the way, he's used by God to share the word. And no doubt that we have so many outreaches and we have so many young people who are involved, who's giving their lives to help in the ministry. Kaya, without further ado, let's sing a song. It's not related to appreciating the pastor, but it's all about getting all excited. Kasi yung pastor natin, he is always excited to do the work of the Lord. And I hope we will all be excited to do the same. Come on, let's all stand up and let's be excited. Kuya, okay.